You don't need 20% down payment to buy a house. Today I'm going to talk about lots of great low down payment options and some no down payment, zero down payment options. Stay tuned. So one of the biggest questions I get is how much money do I need to buy a house? Most people still think you need 20%, but you don't. So let's talk about some of the options you have right now. So with conventional loans, which conventional loans just means it's not backed or insured by the federal government. With a conventional loan, you can put 20% down, but you can put 10% down if you want. You can put 5% down. And if you're a first-time home buyer, there's a 3% down payment program. Now, if you put less than 20% down, you're going to need mortgage insurance, which will add a little bit to your monthly payment. But still, if you're a first-time home buyer, you don't have to wait to save 20%. That will take you forever. You can get into home ownership now and put down 3%. That's a fantastic program. The other big program that we have is FHA, which is insured by the federal government. You only need 3.5% down payment for that one. And because it's insured by the federal government, you don't have to have perfect credit on this one. You don't have to be a perfect borrower. They'll allow you they'll give you a little bit of leeway on this one because it's insured by the federal government. And you only need 3.5% down payment. Fantastic program. Now let's talk about some no down payment options. The first one I'm going to talk about is the VA loan. Of course, it's a home loan that's a benefit by our federal government for our veterans. And you don't need a down payment. It's a zero down payment loan. Another one is called USDA. It's also a government program. It's for rural properties outside the city and outside the suburbs to help them get loans. That's also a zero down payment loan. There are geographical restrictions. You can't be in the city, like I said, so you have to check that out. Some other no down payment options. There's some programs, down payment assistance programs, that you can use in conjunction with conventional or FHA loans. These programs kind of bridge that gap. For example, if you're getting an FHA loan, you need 3.5% down payment. These down payment assistance programs will lend you that 3.5% down payment. So essentially, it's a zero down payment loan. Some of them will make you pay it back monthly. Some of them will make you pay it back when you sell the house. And some of these, some down payment assistance programs, the loan will go away as long as you pay your monthly payments on time for a certain amount of time. So there's a lot of different options. They come and go. So you need to talk to your mortgage professional about those. I'll be happy to talk to you about those. These are great options. These are great options to get into home ownership now, so you don't have to wait 5 years, 10 years to save up 20% down payment. 20% down payment. If you're interested in any of these, if you're interested in talking about this, if you want to see if you can qualify for any of these programs, go ahead and give me a call. You can go to my website, jesserivera.com. All my contact info is on there, or leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks a bunch, and I'll look forward to speaking with you.